Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your Coinomi application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. From your app drawer, tap Open Coinomi app. Soon after you open up the Coinomi application, to log into an existing wallet, tap on Restore a Wallet button at the bottom. You will now need to enter your recovery phrases in the correct order in order to get to your wallet. Type in your recovery phrases in the correct order. Once you are done entering your wallet phrases, tap on the next button at the bottom right and then set a password for your wallet. Every time you log in or restore your wallet, you will now need to enter a new password. Select the authentication mode and then enter your password. Make sure to type in a strong password and tap next. Add coins to your wallet by choosing from the list. Agree to the terms and conditions, and then you have now successfully restored or logged into your Coinomi application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.